Hi children, good morning. So today we are going to see we are going to know few informations regarding our PBL topic health and hygiene. So by going through this video you will get an picture about what you need to speak and how you need to speak. So let's go into this topic. So first we are going to see about personal hygiene. So what do you understand by an hygiene first? So hygiene is nothing but the way you keep your body clean. So that is called as an personal hygiene. So how do we keep our body clean? There are few ways in which you are supposed to keep your body clean. And the first thing is we should brush twice a day. Morning, when you woke up, you should go brush, and before you go to bed, we are supposed to brush and sleep. And also, before you come to school and you need to take bath and you should wear clean clothes. And if possible, after going to home from school, also you can take a shower. And before you eat something or after you eat something, you are supposed to wash your hands properly. If you have cold and cough, you should cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief, and when you go for toilets and washrooms, we are supposed to wash our hands with soap or hand wash. We should always trim our nails regularly. That's because we keep our hands in mud, somewhere we'll play somewhere. So if you have nails, through nails we can easily get infected. So we are supposed to trim our nails regularly and it should be clean. When you step out of the house, you should wear slippers. Without wearing slippers, we should not move around. Even it might be upstairs or around your house, some garden, anywhere it might be. You should wear slippers and move on. So these are the steps in which you need to know about your personal hygiene. So if you are clean enough, next we need to focus on how to keep our surroundings clean. See, keeping yourself or your home clean itself is not enough. We are also supposed to clean our surroundings. So not putting no waste things inside your home. Yes, keep yourself clean. That's right. You are supposed to put only in the dustbin. But you should follow the same when you go out also. Drinking juice, putting the juice cover on the road, that's very bad. You should search for a dustbin and we should throw inside it. We should not throw anything on the roads. And we should never ever spit on the roads. So if you have cold air or something, if you spit, if somebody who is passing by, they will easily get infected by it. So never spit on the roads. And we should not let our sewage to flow on the streets. Sometimes if you see in some places the sewage will be out because the sewage tank will be full. It doesn't have a capacity to hold down. So what will happen? The sewage will comes out of the tanks. So in such cases We need to call a person who collects the sewage from the tank. So we should call them, and they will come and they will clean the area. So we are not supposed to let our sewage out of the streets. If we do so, the mosquitoes breeding will be multiplied, and easily we will get all sort of diseases like malaria, dengue. We have n number of diseases now. So we should keep our places as well as our surroundings clean enough to make yourself healthy. You should be very healthy. So for that, we should keep ourselves as well as our surroundings clean. The next one, we are going to see few toilet habits. What you need to follow when you go for a toilet and when you come back from a toilet. So if even in your home, as well as if you go out somewhere, even to school, somewhere it might be, okay, before you use and after you use, we should flush. Don't forget to flush. Before and after we use the toilet, we should flush, which keeps you from infections. And after using the toilets, we are supposed to wash our hands properly with soap. It keeps you free from germs. And on and off, we are supposed to clean our toilets, because from toilets we will get infections soon. So on and off, we are supposed to clean our toilets. There are many toilet cleaners. Use the toilet cleaners, and we are supposed to clean our toilets, and it should be neat enough to use. The next topic is the ways to stay healthy. Imagine like you are sitting in a place for a long time. You had your lunch and you are sitting. If you are going to do this regularly, you will put on your weight and you will become very lazy. So to come out of this habit, walking is really important. Morning and evening, try to go for a walk. Move around your home and see what is happening in and around you. And you need to you need to breathe fresh air too. So always don't sit inside your home and see TV, playing games in phone. No. We should go for a walk. And we are supposed to play only outdoor games. Playing cricket, tennis, football, rings with our friends. So try to play out of your home. Don't sit inside and take your phones or video games. That's really bad. It makes you sick. It makes you lazy. Try to do exercise regularly at minimum of 10 minutes, jumping 50 jumps, skipping, squatting exercise. You have many options. It's not necessary that you need to wear exercise dress, and it's commonly you can do it. So try to do few exercise regularly. Get up early in the morning. No, getting up by 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock makes you lazy. So we need to get up early in the morning, and we should go for the bed as soon as possible, at least by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So don't stay awake and play your video games and other things till 11 o'clock. And by when mama wakes you in the morning, what you will say? No mama, I feel very sleepy, please leave me to sleep at least for 10 to 15 minutes. That is really bad. So we are supposed to wake up by 5:30 or 6, maximum by 6:30, and we should go to bed by 9 to 9:30 compulsorily. And always you should check like whether your height and weight is almost equal. If you are short and you are going to put on your weight, that will be really bad. So you should check for your BMI regularly. Children, these are the topics which we can make for this PBL. These are the health and hygiene topics where you can, whatever topics you can choose, and minimum of 10 lines we need to speak regarding this topic.